Wow, that's great, Rumi. Messi's shot was beautiful.
That's absolutely right, isn't it?
Goal.
My dear children, girls, want to see something special today?
What is it?
The football museum has opened. There's a very beautiful, legendary trophy there.
We can see the trophy. After breakfast.
I can eat fast.
Not too fast. Let's go, let's buy the tickets.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Mom, why is he alone? Maybe he loves soccer too. He looks sad.
Dad, who wore this one?
A champion. He scored in the final.
I want to be brave like that.
Then keep practicing.
Wow.
Zoe, not that close.
I was only checking if it was real. The shirt is so beautiful, Mom. It is beautiful.
You would have loved this.
Oh, the trophy.
Leo, stop running! I am not touching anything!
Uh-oh.
I tried to support it.
He broke it.
He was right there.
Sir, stay where you are.
No. I tried to catch it.
You crossed the barrier.
There was a boy.
Do not blame a child.
Just admit it. You touched it.
No. Please.
Mom, I'm scared.
Dad, I think it was not him.
What did you see?
Leo was running. Are you sure?
I think so.
I assure you, this is for the best. The trophy is safer here than it ever was with you. Bring him to the office.
Please. I did not do this. I didn't do that.
Sir, this is serious damage.
I know. Then tell the truth. I am.
Leo, look what you've done. Leo, you were running and kicking the ball.
No. I
saw it, don't deny it.
I am cold. It is summer.
Please check the camera.
Open camera 8. Camera 8 lost signal at 10:10. The trophy fell after that. Yes. Other cameras? Camera 6 sees the entrance. Camera 7 sees the gift shop. Camera 9 sees the jersey wall. Only camera 8 sees the trophy. Then we use witness statements. Sir, we need your signature.
I cannot sign that.
If you refuse, we may need to call the police.
Please do not make him sign.
This is not for children.
No. Leo, come here.
It was me. I ran into the rope.
Thank you, son.
I was scared.
I know.
I saw him run.
Rumi saw it.
Children can be confused.
I am not confused.
Wait. I was filming my daughter near the trophy.
Please show us.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
I only saw the end. Most people did.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
You came back.
I should have said it.
You said it now.
May I ask why you ran toward the trophy? My son loved soccer.
That is why you looked sad.
Maybe a little.
Then he would have liked you.
Everyone, please listen.
We made a mistake today. We blamed this man too quickly.
I did not listen. I am sorry.
The museum will take full responsibility for the trophy. You owe us nothing.
Please take this.
This is yours.
I want you to have it.
Thank you, Leo.
I will not run inside again.
Good plan.
Bye, Mr. Arthur.
Bye, little champion.
Is he happy now?
And because someone listened.